The journey to freedom took 208 years, and the work to fostering this roundtable discussion here in the Dutch Parliament building on slavery and emancipation has taken almost as long. Since the official abolition of slavery on July 1st, 1863, the day has gone without official recognition within the Dutch kingdom. On St. Eustatius, residents such as the late Miriam Smith, a former head of the Culture Department, and the founders of the Roots Foundation attempted for many years to give significance and meaning to the abolition of slavery and emancipation. Sadly, there were many factors that contributed to these efforts being short-lived: the lack of mutual understanding, the lack of sustainable funding, fear to discuss the topic. I am happy, though, to share with you that it was in 2017 that the Island Council of St. Eustatius adopted a motion calling for July 1st to be officially recognized as a public holiday in commemoration of Emancipation Day. And I'm also happy to share with you that on July 1st, 2021, for the very first time, we celebrated Emancipation Day under what is called a so-called gedoogbeleid. This was achieved with the full support of the Central Dialogue St. Eustatius and in close collaboration with the Ministry of Social Affairs and Labor. And I'm also extremely happy to share with you that in the next 5 days, July 1st, for the very first time, Emancipation Day will be celebrated as a public holiday.